Okay, today we're going to be assembling an 8-drawer dresser. Okay, so let's open the box. I'd recommend removing the tape. Don't cut through it. You may cut into the dresser components. Comes with an instruction manual. This 8-drawer dresser is made out of fabric with a metal frame. Costs $50 on Amazon.com in 2024. Here's the metal frame parts. Pretty simple construction. The black frame. So here's how easy it is to put together the drawers. So they're made out of fabric. There's some sort of particle board or some sort of press board inside. They just pop open. Place the bottom down inside the bottom. And that's it. And you simply attach the handle that they provide right there through the pre-drilled holes with 2 screws. Quick and easy.
Woo!
Now let's go ahead and start the assembly process, following step by step with the provided hardware. They even provide you with an Allen wrench. The parts are labeled. The bags of screws are labeled. It's pretty straightforward. Bolt everything together. You build the frame first, and then you'll assemble the drawers and slide the drawers in. There are 2 safety straps that you will need to attach to your wall to prevent the dresser from tipping over. That's really important. Do not forget to install those safety straps before you actually start using the dresser. So I'm simply bolting on the 2 end pieces. Square tubing construction here. Everything's already pre-drilled. Has threaded inserts that you thread the Allen bolts into. Has leveling feet that simply screw in. I will give you a close-up view here of what I'm doing. You can see all the holes are pre-drilled. There's these little plastic inserts that you're screwing the Allen bolts into. Just be careful, do not over-tighten the Allen bolts, because again, you're just threading them into a plastic insert that is pressed into this particle board top. So you don't want to strip them out or pull them out. So snug them up gently, but not too tight. And we're almost ready to put the drawers in and place the dresser where we want it. Just making sure these are all snugged up. And we'll go ahead and install the handles. They're plastic black handles. They provide screws, 2 screws per handle. Simply screw the screws into the handle from the inside of the drawers. Careful not to strip them out. Again, they're just plastic handles. And here's the dresser all assembled and installed. Again, don't forget the 2 safety straps that you screw to the wall behind the dresser. Those keep it from falling over. I hope this video helps you. Good luck with your project. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.